Welcome back, my name is Dak, and today at the brew tank we are racking our Pear Melomel. Let's get started. Okay, so our supplies today is our siphoning cane, some fresh star sands, tongs, an empty sterile 1-gallon carboy, a stool or something to elevate your carboy, our original mead, 3-piece airlock, and 6.5 stopper. Also, if you want to take a gravity reading, you'll need a hydrometer, graduated cylinder, and either a wine thief or a large baster. As always, we start off by sanitizing our workspace. Next, we will set up our Melomel for siphoning. Make sure to elevate your primary carboy above the secondary carboy you are transferring to. Gravity will do the rest once you get it started. But before I drop this in and start to siphon, we'll take a sample to see where the flavor's at and get a final gravity reading. Looks like my gravity reading is at 1.01, so this should be semi-sweet, maybe a little bit dry. And to bring in my cameraman for our taste test. This one came out surprisingly good. I didn't really expect the pear to come through, but it actually did. I'm probably going to revisit this one later on. After we discuss the taste, I'm going to attach a cane using the side clip. Once it's in place and adjusted an inch above the least, let's get to siphoning. I'm really looking forward to this one 6 months down the road and give it another taste test. Well, that's all for today. This will end up staying in here for just a few days to clear before I go ahead and bottle. Thanks for joining me for some siphoning, and I hope some of you out there give a Pear Melomel a shot. Hit me with a like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I hope to hear you try out your own pear mead in the comments section below. Happy brewing! Cheers!